Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this tutorial, which is about trigonometry, and we are going to take a look at the cosine rule. The cosine rule is a popular rule for solving problems on triangles. So we look at what the rule is all about. So consider the triangles ABC below with sides A, B, and C. In any case, the rule is given as A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. That is for calculating side A. For calculating side B, I have B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cos B. And for calculating side C, I have C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C. Or we use the other version for calculating this angle A. Cos A is B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. And for angle B, I have cos B equal to A squared plus C squared minus B squared over 2AC. And for angle C, I have cos C is equal to A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB. So this rule is used to solve triangles which are not right-angled triangle, in which two sides and the included angle are given. So we take our first problem. Calculate the length of the side opposite the given angle in the diagram below. So we are given the diagram AB, it says, and the side opposite the given angle is B. Remember, this is A, this is C, and this is angle B is given. So using a cosine rule to calculate side B, we have B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cos B. We are going to substitute A to be 4. Wherever we see A, we put 4. Wherever we see C, we put 6. And wherever we see B, we put 108 degrees. So we start B squared is equal to A squared, that is 4 squared, plus 6 squared minus 2 times 4 times 6, then cos 108 degrees. So 4 squared is 16 plus 36. 2 times 4 gives 8 times 6, 48. That's minus 48. We now find cos 108 degrees from our calculator is negative 0.3090. 108 degrees is in the second quadrant, so that's why it is negative. So simplifying this is going to give us 52. Negative 48 times negative 0.3090 gives positive 14.832. So we add them to give us 66.832. As B squared is 66.832. To calculate B, we find the square root of 66.832, which gives 8.175 centimeters. So we have done justice to problem 1 in this encounter. So we go to problem 2. In triangle PQR, P is 10 centimeters, Q is 8 centimeters, and R is 81 degrees. We have to calculate PQ. So we sketch the triangle. Sketching the triangle, R is 81 degrees. Side Q is 8 centimeters. P is 10 centimeters. So we are to calculate PQ. So meaning we are calculating R. So using cosine rule, so R squared is P squared plus Q squared minus 2PQ cos R. So we now substitute in the values of PQ and angle R. So that's giving us For P we put 10, for Q we put 8, and for R we put 81 degrees. So R squared will be 10 squared plus 8 squared minus 2 times 10 times 8, then cos 81 degrees. 10 squared is 100, 8 squared is 64, 2 times 10 is 20 times 8 gives 160. That's minus 160 multiplying by cos 81 degrees is 0.1564. So simplifying, this is 164. 160 multiplied by 0.1564 gives minus 25.024. So subtracting, we have 138.976. So that's R squared. To get R now, we find the square root of this, which is 11.79 centimeters. So we have found a PQ to be 11.79 centimeters. So we go to the third problem. In the third problem, in triangle ABC, A is 9.5 centimeters, B is 6.3 centimeters, and C is 5.1 centimeters. Calculate the angle opposite the largest side. Oh God, we have to look for the largest side. The largest side here is A. The largest side is A, so we are calculating angle A. So in this case, we may not need to sketch the diagram, get the appropriate rule, which is cos A. So cos A is B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. So we now substitute in the values. Cos A, what is our B? B is 6.7. So I have 6.7 squared plus C 5.1 squared minus A squared, that's minus 9.5 squared over 2 times 6.7 times 5.1. So we now find these squares. So it's 44.89 plus 26.01 minus 90.25 divided by, multiplying this out, we have 68.34. So we can just input everything into our calculator to give us negative 0.2831. So to find A now, it is cos inverse of negative 0.2831. From our calculator, A is 106.4 degrees. So that's the end of the solution to problem 3. And also, this is the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, Oninab Resources. Goodbye.